I bet you didn't know the sky throws curveballs. Sometimes it melts into rainbow fire. First, fire rainbows are not flames, they're circumhorizontal arcs, sunlight hitting high, flat ice crystals and bending into brilliant bands across the sky. They look like someone painted neon on clouds. Second, ice circles. Tiny eddies and super smooth ice form a slow-rotating disk that grinds against river ice, carving out perfect floating pancakes. Cute, hypnotic, and totally mechanical. Third, raining animals. Weird but true, waterspouts tornadoes can suck up small creatures from lakes or fields, then drop them miles away. Fish, frogs, even worms have made headlines. Nature's weird, wild, and surprisingly explainable. Like, which one blew your mind? Comment below.